Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn the gerunds, participles, and infinitives. These are called as the verbals. Words or phrases form from verbs. Verbals are used as another part of speech. For example, noun, adjective, and adverbs. Means these gerund, participles, and infinitives, they are not the verbs, but they are the another part of the parts of speech. As you know, there are the 8 parts of speech in English. Here, when we will talk about the gerund, participle, and the infinitives, they are the noun, adjective, or the adverbs. They are not the verbs. First of all, we will see gerund. Gerunds are formed by adding ing to a verb and function as a noun. Reading is my favorite pastime. Here, the word reading is working as a subject because it comes in the place of subject. I enjoy reading. It is the direct object. A love of reading will result in a lifetime of learning. This is the object of the preposition. I will give reading a chance this year. This is the indirect object. Direct object, indirect object, this topic we will learn in the next chapter when we will learn the passive and the active voice. My favorite pastime is reading. Here the subject complement. See, the same word reading came in the different places and it work as the different part of the sentence. First sentence it is the subject, in second sentence it is the direct object. So in this way the gerund we form by adding ing. But if I will say I am reading, so in this I am reading sentence, reading is not the gerund because here that reading word is working as a verb. And we in the first slide we see that gerund is working as a noun, subject, direct object, adverb. Like this, when it come, then it is called as the gerund. If it works like a verb, then it is not a gerund. I have given you one example. I am reading. Yes, I am reading a book. I am playing. We are singing. These are working as a verbs. So they are not called as gerund. Gerund is only when the subject or it came in the place of noun, it working as a noun, then it is called as the gerund. Now we will see the participle. Participles are formed by adding ing, en or ed to verb. They function as adjectives. As we know, the verb, when we will see the verbs, previously I have given you the homework for writing the verbs V1, V2, V3, V4 and then the infinitives. So these are the verbs, but here the participles are forming by adding ing, en or ed to the verb. But they function as an adjective. They are not function as the verb. Then it is called as the participles. The frightened puppy cowered in the corner. Here frightened word is there. So that frightened is the participle. A thunderstorm can be a frightening experience for young children. Frightening. Here ing is added. In first sentence it is ed added. The spoken word lingers in the mind long after it has faded from the ear. All of the red words are participles and they are all working as adjectives. What are they modifying or describing? Here they are the describing words. They are not the verbs. When they came in the place of verbs, then if they work like a verb, then they are verbs. But here they are the verbials. Now the next topic is infinitive. Infinitives are formed by adding to a verb. To, the word to is used. It is come before the verb and then it is called as infinitive. Infinitives can function as a noun, adjective or adverb. He lacked the strength to resist. Here, to resist is the adjective. We must study to learn. To wait seemed foolish when action was clearly in order. Here, the noun is there. To wait is the word which is used as a noun, but it is the subject. He wants to dance. To dance is the noun here, but it is the direct object. His dream is to sing. Another example we can take, he liked to show his power. So here verbs are different. You see the example, he wants to dance. In this sentence, he is the subject, wants is the verb, and to dance. What he wants to dance. Means he want to show his dance. His dream is to sing. Here, his dream is the subject, is the verb, and to sing is the infinitive. So, here we add to the verb. To sing. Sing is the word which is used as the verb also, but it didn't work here as a verb. Verb is different in the sentence and only the infinitive works as an adjective, adverb, noun, like that process. He lacked the strength. In first sentence, he is the subject, lacked is the verb, and to resist is the adjective. We must study to learn. What we have to study to learn? How to learn? We must study. We is the subject, must study is the verb, and to learn is the infinitive. Got it, dear children? Here, in this way, infinitives, gerunds, and the participles are the verbials. Means they are, if we will first time see them, they look like a verb. But they are not working like a verb. Their function is different. In this way, when in the exam or if you will study that things, so you read the sentences properly and meaningfully write the answers. Some exercise I have sent you before also. Go through the practice. All the best. Thank you.